How to add shapes in Premiere Pro. Here are the basic steps to add shapes in Adobe Premiere Pro. 1. Select the Type tool from the Tools panel. 2. With the Type tool selected, click anywhere in your project panel or timeline to create a text box. 3. Type your text. You can adjust font, size, alignment, color, etc. 4. To convert the text to a shape, right-click the text layer and select Convert to Shape. 5. With the shape layer selected, use the tools in the control panel to adjust its parameters, position and scale the shape with the selection tool. Change the shape of the path with the pen tool. Adjust values like size, corners, stroke width. 6. You can also add keyframes to animate the shape over time. 7. Optionally, you can create a mask with the shape layer to use it to crop or highlight parts of a video clip. 8. Duplicate the shape layer and edit to add multiple shapes as needed. So in summary, start with the Type tool, convert text to shape, then customize the shape layer properties and keyframe animation to create simple graphics, lower thirds, masking effects, etc. in Premiere Pro.